Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is the Offbeat Ripjaws Alpha Wireless Rechargeable Professional Gaming Mouse. Let's unbox it. So let's take a look around the box. At the front we have a clear view of the mouse with some branding here and a wireless rechargeable professional gaming mouse. The actual price of this is $15.99, but I got it on Amazon for $11.90. Pretty good price. Over here we have Offbeat Ripjaws Alpha Chrome with mousepad, new. And down here, this box includes one mouse, one nano receiver, one user manual, and a charging cable. So this is actually a wireless gaming mouse that does not require AA batteries, and I bought it for this reason. So it comes with a wire, and I think that you can use this in the wired mode as well. I don't really know. This QR code here, I don't know what, and it says designed in USA, made in China. I highly doubt that. www.offbeatstores.com, and over here we have a large paragraph explaining what Offbeat does. Science is our philosophy, methodology. Okay, good. Over here and some technical specifications on the back, and it's also a wireless gaming mouse from the reviews, and it has like how many buttons? It has 5 buttons, I think. Pretty good. So let's open it up, and actually on the back it also says 50 plus hours of playtime. I want to test this out. So yeah, let's open it up. At the top here it came with no seal, so I'm just gonna open this up and pray that it's good. I don't have nails. How do I do this? Put a caption here saying much struggling later, and I got it. So we open this up, and there's a paper here. So how do I open this up? So we have the cable itself. I think it's a micro USB cable. Yep, it's a micro USB cable. Pretty good. Put that aside. Here we also have the user manual. Oh wow, that's a big paper. Pretty good. I'll read this a little later. I think everything will be pretty straightforward, opening up this mouse. Here we have a mouse pad. Okay, just to see which mouse pad it is. Is it going to be some generic one or... Oh, Iron Man. Yes, I love Iron Man. That's very nice. Okay, let's look at the quality of the mouse pad a little later on. And mainly, now we have the mouse. Why do I mess up everything? Okay, fine. We got the mouse out. It's very, very light. It almost has no weight to it whatsoever. It's so light. Okay. Pretty good. I thought it was going to be like really heavy. Anyways. Well, we have nothing else inside the box. So let's put that aside. So here are the contents of the box. We have a user manual right here, and literally everything it's everything that you'd expect. It's just plug and play, really. And this is the charging cable. It's a white charging cable, and it's decently long actually. I can use this for other things as well. I want to see if this can do data transfer, because that's going to be really useful. And it's a pretty long cable. I like this cable. Okay, now let's keep the mouse for last and look at the mouse pad. The quality of this is actually pretty good. So let's just open this mouse pad up. Right there. Okay, this is a nice mouse pad. I like the quality of the mouse pad. It's very smooth. Oh, it is really smooth. It just glides. Yep, I like this. So the mouse pad has the Iron Man on it. It looks very nice. I really like the print quality of it. And over here we have the Offbeat branding. The bottom is a very grippy texture, and if you put it on the thing, it doesn't slip. I'm putting a lot of pressure on it. It doesn't slip. But the top is very nice and smooth. It's actually my first mouse pad, and I really like it. So yeah, this is definitely good for some FPS gaming. I like this. Alright, so let's move this mouse pad off to the side and move this plastic there, and let's look at the mouse itself. So the main buttons of this mouse are actually silent buttons, so you can't hear anything. I tried drag clicking. Well, this is the best I can do. For butterfly clicking, it works pretty well. I've not plugged it in yet. These are the DPI switching buttons. This is DPI plus, as you can see over there with the light engraving, and this is DPI bottom. And all these transparent areas, they light up. That's what I've seen in the images. I'll pop one up right here. The side buttons are actually not silent buttons, and they actually they feel very pushy. So like you press it, it goes in. Like I like the texture of it actually, not gonna lie, it's pretty nice. Lastly, the scroll wheel, it's firm, but it's not that firm, so you can easily push it along like that. And yeah, I like it. Here you have some chrome accents, and I think you can see my face right there. Yep, you can see my phone. Hello, right there. And we have some more accents here. This is going to light up as well, I think. On the bottom, we have some branding, and we have off, on, and light on. So this is in the on position, and that's in the light on position. Lastly, the wireless dongle is somewhere over here. So, yep, we got the wireless dongle out. Nothing special, no branding on this. It's just a generic wireless dongle. Pretty good. So now I'm going to bring over the Legion and plug it in and see how it does. Oh, and lastly, we also have the micro USB cable charging thing up here. So you can just plug it in like so. Yeah. So here we have our Legion right here, and we're going to plug in the mouse for the first time. Instead. Okay. And on this side, we have the mouse. So let's, oh my god, let's turn on the mouse. Okay, so the mouse is turned on. I think this requires some battery power. Oh, it doesn't. Well, it's on. The lights are on. Looks nice. Oh, it's changing its colors. Look at that. Nice. So let's, oh wow, that really works. So that's doing that. Let's try changing the DPI up a little. This is minus DPI. Okay, so there are 3 DPI switches. This is the lowest. Yeah, this is the lowest setting. I see no wireless lag actually. And then this is the next setting. And this is the highest setting. Oh wow, it's all over the place. Alright. I mean, you didn't really need 2 DPI switches, but yeah, whatever. So, right click works, left click works, and nope, I can't drag click, sadly. Anyways, if I can butterfly click, that's more than enough. So is there a software for this actually? I don't know. So now I'm going to open up mouse accuracy check and see how accurate this mouse is. And of course, that's also up to human error. And as well, I'm also going to open up some click speed tests and see how well I do. So let's start the mouse accuracy game. I'm putting it on the lowest setting because I like it. Okay, so yes, I am. Okay, so I missed a lot of them, but well, this is my thing. I need to lower the speed of it a little, like the mouse sensor speed. I like the accuracy of the sensor, and I like the smoothness of the mouse pad. I'm not used to this smooth surface. I'm usually used to the table. So yeah, let's do that, and let's quickly go to click speed test, and let's go to cpstest.org and let's test. So I'm going to just do normal clicking. Okay, so 6.8 CPS, just a tad under what I wanted, but yeah. Alright, so let's try butterfly clicking. Okay, so that's 7.2 CPS. I can actually click faster, so let's go. I got 9 CPS there for a moment, so I still need to get used to this. That's pretty good. What do these buttons do? Oh, that goes back. Oh, and that's nice. That's nice. So you go back and forward. So these 2 buttons on the side, previous page, next page, like this. Drag click. Let's just try. No, I can't get anything on it. So I just try jitter clicking. Just another test over here. I can't use the mouse just with the wired cable. I need to have the wireless receiver plugged in, and that's only when it will work as wired. So now I'm going to plug in the USB cable, and you can see I got the plugging in nice, and now is when I can actually use the mouse. So it's charging right now, and let's go play a little bit of Bed Wars on Hypixel. I think my mouse grip is usually fingertip or claw. So like claw is like when you just have the back of your palm touching the back of the mouse. Fingertip is just only your fingers are making contact with it. So right over here you can see that my mouse actually, I'm almost palming it, but it's more like a claw now. So I change my grip to the claw style. I can't use palm because it's really difficult to move around, and fingertip, well, this mouse is just a little too large for that. So I mean, I'm an average, like I'm like 5'5" or something, and my hands are actually pretty small, so this mouse is a little big for me, but still it's pretty nice. I like the mouse. Scroll wheel's nice, and I'm just gonna play with the claw style. So butterfly with about 10 CPS, I can go faster, but yeah, let's just join this. Let's nope. All right, so phantom forces. This mouse is a soft touch material. It's like Alcantara. Learning that. No kills. So overall, I do recommend this Offbeat Ripjaws Alpha because it's a nice mouse, a nice gaming mouse. Although I don't really recommend it when it's at full price of its full 1600 rupees. There is a variant of this for about 850 rupees, but it doesn't come with the mouse pad, and it has a little different design. It doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't look like this. It looks a little different, and it doesn't come with these two buttons here. So I recommend this product. It looks very nice, and I like the weight of it. It isn't too heavy, nor is it made plasticky, and doesn't feel that cheaply made considering its price. And yeah, thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it. I'll see you guys next time.